Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before continue with cooking, I wishing all my YouTube family a very happy nagarapanchami. Today I thought of showing our native special dish we mainly prepare during the occasion of nagarapanchami, that is Arishinele Kadubu. We also call it as Patholi. This we make it from turmeric leaves. I know that you must have used turmeric and not its leaves. If you want to try this recipe and if you are from Bangalore or any other cities, you will easily get these leaves from any mango shop nearby. This is basically a steamed rice cake stuffed with jaggery and coconut filling and wrapped in a turmeric leaves. And this unique wrapping not only imparts a wonderful aroma but also keeps the patholi moist and flavorful. This is our traditional karavali delicacy that's not only delicious but also rich in culture and history. So without further delay, let's get started. These are the ingredients I am going to use it in this recipe. First we'll start with soaking rice for at least 7 to 8 hours. Here I have taken dosa rice and also red rice. We are mainly adding this red rice for taste and softness. Now I will start preparing our filling. Take a pan and add white sesame seed. Dry roast this in a low medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's done. Take this out and add fresh coconut to the pan. Add ghee. Mix well and now add jaggery to it. Once you add jaggery, stir continuously and let it melt in low medium heat. It's almost done, and now I am adding cardamom powder and white sesame seed. Here I have blended cardamom with little sugar. This is the same dry roasted sesame seed. Blend all together and now our filling is ready. Here is our soaked rice. We have to prepare a thick batter by adding a little quantity of water. Batter should be in this consistency. Now I am adding turmeric and salt as per taste. You can see the beautiful color because of turmeric. Now I am adding salt to it. Now our batter is ready. Meanwhile, let's get our steamer ready. Add enough water in the bottom of the steamer and put one plate. Now I will prepare our patholi. Take one washed turmeric leaf. Put some batter on it and spread it evenly as shown. Now take the coconut jaggery mix and spread it in the middle of the leaf as shown. carefully fold the leaf over to cover the batter and filling, and secure it by folding the edges under. Repeat this process until you have used up all the batter and filling. Now it's time to steam the patholis. Arrange them in a steamer basket, ensuring they are not overcrowded. And we have to steam it for about 20 to 25 minutes. And once they are done, carefully remove the patholis from the steamer and let them cool slightly before unwrapping. The aroma is absolutely amazing. Serve them warm as a snack or a dessert. It pairs wonderfully with a cup of chai or as a sweet treat after a meal. The combination of jaggery and coconut filling with rice cake is just perfect, and it's so delicious. I hope you enjoyed making and learning this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more delicious recipes. Until then, happy cooking!